Welcome back, everybody. I'm super excited today, and perhaps even more excited than usual because I've teamed up with the North Carolina Sweet Potato Commission. That's right, in case you didn't know it, North Carolina is the nation's #1 producer of sweet potatoes, and we are kicking off the Blazing Blackstone giveaway, giving you a chance to submit a sweet potato recipe and win one of several Blackstone Griddles or accessories. I'm going to cook up lunch with a delicious smash burger, sweet potato fries on the side. Join me. Trying to focus really hard on eating healthy lately. That's where sweet potatoes come in. You know, they're a superfood. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So let's get those sweet potato fries ready. I'm gonna start by slicing these sweet potatoes in two. I'm gonna pick the size fry that I want here. By the way, I just discovered this last night. I don't know why it took me this long, but sweet potatoes raw, absolutely delicious. Slice these lengthwise. Try to pick out the thickness of my fry. As you can see, I left the skin on here. I think that's going to make for a more beautiful rustic fry. Then we'll slice these up into sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries into a mixing bowl. Extra virgin olive oil. And coarse sea salt. Today we're using the Blackstone 28-inch air fryer combo. I've got the air fryer cranked up high, and we're gonna put those sweet potato fries into the air fryer. North Carolina sweet potato chips. I used to make potato chip burgers back in the day. Put the chips inside my 80/20 ground beef for that added crunch, that added texture. I'm gonna make 3-ounce meatballs for my smash burger. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's check out the fries. Oh yeah, you can see them cooking away. See that sizzling oil. And we're gonna dice up some onion. I think these will be perfect on our smash burger. I've got the Blackstone Griddle super hot, down with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and my onions. All right, so just about a minute or so we can start to get some nice color on those onions. I'm gonna put them right back in my little cast iron dish. Down on the griddle top, and a little trick that I like, liquid smoke. Today we're using hickory. Oh, look at this. Into my onion. Meatballs down on the griddle top. Blackstone press and sear burger tool, parchment paper, and down for the smash. Blackstone's whiskey burger seasoning. Let's go in for the flip. Ooh yeah, look at that. Look at the crust. Look at those sweet potato chips. Gonna go down with a slice of sharp cheddar and a slice of pepper jack. And look at those beautiful hickory onions. I have a beautiful brioche bun today. Look at that. Brioche, of course, a bread that's used for French toast, has a high sugar and an egg content, and it is perfect when you want to make a stunning burger. And of course I use the mayo because some say that it gives a better toast on the bread. I attest to that. Let's check out those buns. Look at that. Toasted to perfection every time on the Blackstone. Over to my platter. Gonna get a little red leaf lettuce to put on my burger today. Stack those beautiful patties. Some people like lettuce on the top. Some people like lettuce on the bottom. Today, the people who like lettuce on the bottom are gonna be happy. And a shout out to my subscriber Brian Stubbins, who just hooked me up with some Capital City Mambo sauce. This stuff is so good. It's been about 10 or 12 minutes. Sweet potato fries looking good. Let's come over here. For a fry sauce, I have some crema here, some Mexican table cream, and we're gonna put a little bit of sriracha in there. By the way, how pretty does that look? So a little bit of sriracha crema. And we're gonna chop up some fresh chives. And one thing I like to do is just put a little bit of sriracha accent on there. See, on top of those crema drops, a little bit of the sriracha. Take a look at that. Let's give it a try, and I have to go in for one of these delicious sweet potato fries first. Contest details coming up, but we have to give it a try first. Oh, let's give that burger a try. These are out of this world. I, like many of you, have made regular French fries over the years, over and over and over. For some reason, I don't ever think about making sweet potato fries. So good, naturally sweet, and they're good for you. So I am super pumped about the Blazin' Blackstone giveaway. The North Carolina Sweet Potato Commission is gonna hook you up if you win. Contest runs July 1st through September 30th. You need to submit a sweet potato inspired recipe. It could be a side dish, it could be a main dish, it could be a breakfast, it could be something outside on your Blackstone Griddle, or it could be over an open fire because maybe you want to try to win a Blackstone Griddle. You can submit your entries at ncsweetpotatoes.com, and the prizes, one grand prize winner is going to win a Blackstone Culinary XL Pro with range top griddle. 3 first place winners are going to win a Blackstone 17-inch griddle with air fryer combo, along with the Adventure Ready Ultimate Kit. And 10 second place winners are going to win a Blackstone adjustable warming rack. So folks, it is exciting and it is happening now. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up down below, leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to enter the contest, and go out to ncsweetpotatoes.com. That's where you can enter the Blazin' Blackstone giveaway, and that's your source for everything sweet potatoes. By the way, did you know that sweet potatoes is one word? Sweet potato, one word. It's not 2 words. And it's not a potato that's sweet. It's a sweet potato. So thanks for watching, everybody. Good luck in the Blazin' Blackstone giveaway. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the North Carolina sweet potatoes.